Hello, Derek. Good. It's not too bad. Sorry, I'm just messing around with OBS just to see if I can get a good layout. It's literally just a quick thing just to see how we get on. So I've still not done anything with that. Did the unboxing, didn't do anything else. What I have been doing is, I don't know if this camera will work. Yay. So turn up the mic a little bit. Oh. Yeah, okay. Let's have a look. Oh, it's set up to maximum. It's because I've got the microphone for the laptop on. I haven't got a separate microphone. I don't know if I could turn on. Let's see what I can do here. Hang on. Webcam. Yeah, C270. What about now? Yeah. I think you've got to mess around with the settings to find which camera that will work with. Obviously, I'm using the microphone of the laptop. I can use the microphone of the webcam, but I don't. Obviously, I'm using that as a overhead one at the minute. I need to create more. Well, that's what it's set up as now. So it's movable. It does the job. But yeah, the switch that I am using for the Ender, obviously it's just a round switch that I've got a DC to DC step down converter. Yeah, I can't. Be interesting to see what you can do, because obviously the same form, you know, extrusions. With the Ender, obviously you've got the end caps where the extrusion fit in, and one of the mods was for the filament bit to stick out, and obviously that you had a connector which fitted into the end of the extrusion. Well, I took that idea and modified that on Tinkercad to have the switch case have that connector, so it just literally just slots inside of the extrusion. I don't know if that might be any good to Pete. I don't know how he's going to do his light mod for his ender. Obviously I've just used 12 volt LEDs, DC to DC step down converter, knocking it down to 12 volts, which worked, which is good. But I'm glad that this works, because I had issues with my previous connection, because obviously I was using the other account, and all I did was change the YouTube stream key, I think it's called, just to be able to stream on this account. But because YouTube have kicked me out of that, the 3DFR one, I couldn't actually do the chat that's on this side. But now I've gone live today by logging out fully, logging back in fully. I've been able to show it, show the chat, so I don't have to actually go into another window. Well, I don't have to go onto YouTube. Probably what I might do is modify the chat window so it disappears a little bit quicker. Might be in the settings. Because I have been watching some videos from the YouTube gaming channel, and they've done a lot of slobs videos. What do I want to remove it? I did watch how they did it. I'm sure they did it in settings. Logged, show notifications, scene selection. Really, it's the settings of the chat window that I need to modify. Obviously, the ideal thing for this at the minute is get another C270, because the resolution of the main camera on the laptop is very low, whereas that one I'm running at 1080 by 720. So that's and my connection, I can do that easily and get it out. I think it's widget settings I need to be in. Yeah, this is it. Pretty sure anyway. Always shutting up. Fair enough, buddy. I will chat to you tomorrow. Okay. Settings. Cool.